Hi, welcome to a short demonstration of how Nemo can help you process invoices from your supplier quickly and easily. I'll be showing you how an invoice is received, validated, and submitted for financing. As a cloud-based solution, you'll be able to easily log into Nemo through any web browser wherever you are. Once in, you'll be greeted with a real-time dashboard. If you're an AP specialist, you'll see the relevant information about the company's payables. If you're an AP Power user, typically a finance manager, finance controller, or CFO, your dashboard will be configurable to show more counters, giving you a better picture of your operating cash flow at any given moment. Below the dashboard, you'll see various charts and graphs with regards to your payables. This can help you monitor supplier trends and even staff efficiency. Okay, so let's proceed to process an invoice that was submitted by a supplier and is awaiting processing. Here, on the right of the screen, you'll see the digitalized invoice. On the left, you see key information extracted directly from the digitized invoice: the invoice number, PO number, date, invoice amount, and more. For the net and tax amounts, they are automatically populated from the line items below. Supplier information here is also automatically populated from the master table in your ERP or accounting system. For the line items, the description you see here are pushed over by your ERP based on the PO number or extracted from a purchase order submitted through Nemo. The quantity and amount are extracted from the invoice and matched against the goods received values similarly pulled from your ERP or from a purchase order previously submitted through Nemo. If everything matches, the balance indicated here will be zero, and the invoice is ready for posting to your ERP for payment or sent to an approver for approval. If a supplier invoices you a quantity more than you received or ordered, an orange outline highlights to you of this discrepancy. If a supplier invoices you for an amount more than what you ordered, a red outline will similarly appear around the balance value to highlight this. This will help you quickly and accurately identify the source of any discrepancies that may arise during validation. You can also enter any comments if needed. For example, checking with a requester or reviewer on a certain discrepancy. This communication is kept as an audit log for easy verification in the future. You're also able to easily add a reviewer or approver to the workflow when needed. To speed up the matching and validation process, you can activate the automatic posting function. This will post all invoices that have no discrepancies directly to your ERP. You will only be alerted if discrepancies are found. That's how Nemo can help quickly and easily process an invoice for approval. Now, let's see how easy it is to review or approve an invoice through our mobile app. Review the details of the invoice, enter any comments if needed. Then, just tap to approve or reject. The invoice is now validated and approved for posting to your ERP system. Once the invoice from your supplier has been validated, approved, and posted to your ERP awaiting payment, you will be able to see on your dashboard that it's available for financing. So let's proceed to submit the invoice for financing. Because the invoice has already been processed and approved, the information is now locked and cannot be tampered with. Simply verify that this is the correct invoice you want to finance and click the Ask Financing button at the end of the page. You'll be required to enter some mandatory information, like the date you want the financing to start and the tenor. The amount of financing requested is automatically populated based on the invoice total amount. If you have a pre-negotiated agreement with your supplier for an early payment discount, you can update the field to the amount after discount. Once you're done, read through the terms and conditions. If you agree, tick the checkbox and click on Confirm Request. The invoice will then be electronically submitted to the bank for financing. On your dashboard, you'll also be able to conveniently track the financing request status at any time. Subject to the bank's review, you will then be notified if your financing request has been approved or rejected. That's the end of my demonstration. Thank you.